This is a really cool safety light. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of this BlinkO wearable safety light set. So this is a kit that comes with a whole bunch of stuff. We're going to go through the box, show you everything that comes with it, including this awesome light. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. What do you think, Memphis? Think we can clip this on your collar? She's like, totally clip it on my collar. Let's open up this box and show you everything that's inside. So this is what you're going to see when you open the box. You are going to get your BlinkO safety light that comes in this box here. There's the light, and then in this box you are going to get the clamp-on clip, the magnetic clamp-on clip, and the USB charging cable. But then you are also going to get a magnetic strap. You are going to get this here, which is like a little key ring, and then this here, which is also a magnetic strap. I'm going to open these up and show you guys how cool they are. So if I didn't say this yet, this is magnetic. And that's kind of the neat part about all the stuff that comes in this kit. Everything in this kit is also magnetic. So this is the one you can hang around your neck. Clips right to it, and you can hang that around your neck. This one you can wear on your wrist, and it clips right to it, and you can wear it on your wrist. Very adjustable as well. Think of situations like riding your bike at night, walking your dogs at night. You could clip this on your dog's collar, those types of things. It's just going to make you more visible. With this, you could like clip it to a backpack. You could also do the same thing with this, clip it to a backpack, but it's just going to make you more visible at night. So as I said, this is rechargeable, so you push and hold to turn it on. It comes in the yellow color, or if you double tap, that'll make it red. And then I'm going to go through the light features of it real quick. So when you push in the center, so now it flashes. You can see it's like a low, slow flash. Warning, there's going to be flashing lights. Push it again. Now you've got kind of like a flashing light. This would be nice for at night, for people to be able to visibly see you like riding a bike or walking. So this one is like that steady flash, and then when you click it again, now it's more like a SOS flash. See how it's 3, and then click it again, and it goes on. And then, like I said, double click over here, and it turns yellow. And it'll do all of the same features with the yellow light as well. I'm going to take this outside while it's dark and show you guys just how easy it is to see. All right, clearly you can see, pretty dark out here. This is ridiculous how bright this is. Here, wait, watch, I'll throw it into the yard. Ready? 3, 2, 1, throw. It's way over there. You can still see it. And it's even facing down. That's pretty crazy. Yeah, here, I'll flip it back up and walk away. So you can see how bright it is. Yeah, you'll be able to be seen from quite a distance with this thing. So like I said, this is a ridiculously bright light. I love that it's USB-C rechargeable. This would be great for camping, walking the dogs in the dark, just making yourself more visible at night. If you guys are looking for a great, easily wearable safety light, like I said, the kit comes with so many options for different ways to wear this. We recommend this.